But we are the people
who are mostly instrumental in the creation of Pakistan. This is correct.
Right, so I got the right impression by reading it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The thing which we did not come to and all the time was waiting for was this, that we are at least equal partners in the creation of Pakistan, and no power on earth has any right, any justification to relegate to us a second-class citizenship or a third-class citizenship. That's against the contract. There are certain contracts, there are unwritten contracts. If you 2 or 3 people go together to make a thing, to make a firm, they have equal rights unless that thing is taken apart. Their rights cannot be trampled upon by the other parties, even if they enjoy a majority. In this case, exactly the opposite is happening. The worst enemies of Pakistan, among them those who said Qadiyani is a kafir Azam. Among them are those who said Pakistan की पेड़ भी कोई नहीं बना सकता. किसी माँ ने ऐसा एहराम नहीं जो सेट है, किसी माँ ने ऐसा बच्चा नहीं जना जो पाकिस्तान की पेड़ भी बना सके. No mother has given birth to a son.
Laser and microwaves and things like that in Quran or in Hadith.
Of course, there is very clear, and I should have remembered it, that I have delivered a full sermon on this subject a few months ago, maybe 2-3 months ago, on atomic bomb having been mentioned in the Holy Quran. Didn't you read that? Or has it not been published yet, perhaps?
It has come out, sir. 3rd of February.
It is published.
The tafsir of Surah Hamazah.
It was
printed in Al-Fazl.
It was also, I think, translated by Jayandra, who is very efficient in these translations, and published in English as well. So you go through that, and there is enough proof, positive proof, that the Holy Quran not only declared the phenomena of hidden energy, but also developed the theme to the construction of Pakistan and ultimate destruction of the world. In that small surah, all that has been mentioned.